To buy crypto with your Crypto.com Visa card, you need to have a Crypto.com account and the card linked to it. First, download and install the Crypto.com app on your mobile device. Then sign up for an account by providing the required information and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, apply for the Crypto.com Visa card within the app. And after approval, wait for the physical card to arrive. Activate the card in the app and set up your PIN. To buy crypto, log into the Crypto.com app, navigate to the home screen, and select the crypto you want to buy. Choose the payment method as your Crypto.com Visa card. Enter the amount you want to spend, and confirm the transaction. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your card to cover the purchase. And be aware of any applicable fees. The purchased crypto will be deposited into your Crypto.com wallet. It is essential to keep your account and card information secure. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. Regularly review your transaction history and card activity to detect any suspicious behavior. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can easily buy crypto with your Crypto.com Visa card and start building your crypto portfolio. Always stay informed about market trends and crypto regulations to make informed investment decisions.